choosing the right fertilizer for your lawn here in the desert Southwest. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona, and that's what this video is about. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure you get your soil tested. You want to determine the soil's pH and nutrient levels in the soil. And usually when you go to a place to get your soil tested, they'll usually make good recommendations for you of what to add to your lawn in order to get the optimum condition for beautiful green lawn. The next is to choose the right formula. You want to look for things that are labeled desert or arid regions based off of the desert Southwest. Here in Phoenix, we have pretty harsh climates, and obviously our nutrient deficiencies are going to be different than other parts of the country. So, but still having your soil tested to seeing exactly what it needs is the vital key here. Look out for nitrogen content. Nitrogen is really what makes the yard grow. It really makes the grass just grow. It's essential for promoting healthy green grass. But you don't just want all nitrogen. You want also a combination of phosphorus and potassium, which the three numbers on the bottom of the bag are the nitrogen content, the phosphorus content, and the potassium content. And each will provide you with different needs for your lawn. Yeah, other ingredients that you want to look out for, micronutrients like iron, magnesium, sulfur. These are great and can help, iron is great to make the grass just look really green without even necessarily making it grow very fast. Like there's a product called Ironite that's just fantastic about greening the lawn without having a whole lot of new growth, which is great. You can't actually put too much Ironite on it practically. It really just will do wonders for your lawn. But no matter the fertilizer, you want to make sure timing is key. You want to time it correctly for the spring application or the fall application, depending on the type of grass you have on your lawn, depending on the season. So if we overseed here in the winter, obviously it's a different fertilizer than what you would need for your summer growth. And fertilizing when it's really hot out may not be the best thing, depending on the season or the time of when you're applying this fertilizer. Watering is crucial. You want to make sure you water your lawn heavily before and after you fertilize. It's good to have moist soil when you're throwing down the fertilizer, and then you want to water that in, and you want to have longer, deeper waterings so that it gets deep into the roots instead of short, shallow waterings that just kind of stay at the surface. You want to go deeper if you have the ability to. If you have a lot of hills or a lot of water runoff, you may have to run it multiple times in a day to get that deeper watering into the ground. And remember, always follow the manufacturer's instructions, follow the label, be mindful of the environment, but always contact a landscape expert if you're concerned. Reach out to us here at AMS Landscaping. You can go to our website at AZLawns.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube page also and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping. You can check us out on Instagram and Twitter at AZLawns. Let us know if you have any questions at all. Thanks so much and have a great day.